Hello and welcome. It is Nomadic Shaman here. Thank you so much for visiting my page. Today's video is centered around grounding, clearing, and protection techniques that you can incorporate as part of your daily spiritual hygiene. This is great for those that are experiencing energetic blockages, energetic attachments, and energetic imbalances. Great for the mind, body, and soul, especially if you have stagnant energy or if you are an empath and you tend to absorb other people's emotions and or energy. As well as these are great techniques to incorporate if you are experiencing or on the receiving end of black magic, dark magic, baneful magic, negative energy. Okay, so to start, it's going to be for grounding techniques. Now, the key for all of these techniques I'm going to share with you is you want to believe what you're doing. Okay, so you want to focus your energy, your intent as you are visualizing for a lot of these techniques I'm going to share with you today. For grounding, I'm going to share with you 3 techniques. The first, if you're close to a beach, take advantage of it. Walk on the beach, submerge your feet, your hands in the sand, get into the ocean. Okay, that would be the first. The second, get out in nature, walk in nature. If you are in an area where you feel relatively safe and comfortable, walk barefoot. Okay, whether that's in the park or in your backyard. The third suggestion would be gardening. Okay, whether you are into herbs, flowers, plants, fruits, and vegetables, immerse your hands in the soil as you garden. Okay, those would be 3 great grounding techniques. As far as clearing techniques, clearing any stagnant energy, any negative energy, even any type of negative or baneful spell work that has been sent your way. The first is physical movement. Dancing is really good to break up any stagnant energy. The second would be using bells, wind chimes, tuning forks, sound bowls as sound therapy. Okay, to break up energy and to clear out energy. The third would be herbal cleansing. So that would be smudge sticks or even Palo Santo sticks or even incense. Some of the herbal smudge sticks I would suggest would be rosemary, sage, yerba santa, as well as cedar. I believe the third, no, I think I mentioned 3. So let's move on to protective measures. The first is prayer. Now, prayer looks very different depending on who's doing it and who's asking. So I'm going to share with you 4 different ways. The first, gratitude, prayers of gratitude. It helps shift the energy, especially if it's going from a dark to a lighter energy. The second way would be to declare, decree, and command. Okay, so you are telling what's going to happen. The third way would be, of course, by request, asking for assistance, whether it's from the divine, the Most High, your ancestors, or your spiritual team. The fourth would be by way of reciting chants, mantras, affirmations. Okay. Now, moving on to the second way if you can protect yourself would be visualizing white divine light, that you are encapsulated by a big white ball surrounding your auric field. Okay, this is a great protective measure from dense energies, negative entities, any low vibrational energy. The last I wanted to add is to honor yourself. So do things, activities that honors you. How this helps to protect you is it helps to raise your vibration. As you raise your vibration, you are essentially strengthening your auric field from any type of psychic attacks, spiritual attacks, dark negative energies or entities, or any type of witchcraft or spell work being sent to you. All of these methods are great for mind, body, and soul. One other method that's applicable to all three techniques, whether you want to ground, whether you want to clear, or protective measures, would be meditation. You can use meditation for all three. So that wraps up my video. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for commenting, liking, sharing, and following. And until the next one, guys, I'm out.